Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create videos in CapCut PC without exporting, and there's like a watermark on it. So if you want to, you can just kind of record the video itself with you using the pro effects that there is. Just make this a full screen. Obviously the quality would be very different from that. But besides that, like if you used like this and like exported it, you won't have any watermark anyways. I think it used to be where you want to, I think it used to be like you need to click on it, but you actually just need to sign in to your CapCut account and you won't have the watermark. Same with the one on mobile. There's going to only be a watermark at the end of the video. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.